Hello my dear foodies! Welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is a favorite snack of almost everyone. Right from children to adults love eating it. This is a street food and it doesn't need any introduction. Popularly known as Golgappa or puchka or the famous Pani Puri. So, when you're craving for Pani Puri, make yourselves a healthy homemade Pani Puri following my easy recipe. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. For puri preparation, take a bowl, add 1 cup semolina or rava, 2 tablespoons maida for binding the rava, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Combine everything. Now add 1/4 cup hot water gradually and make a soft dough. Cover it with a damp cloth. Keep this aside for 30 minutes. This is very important. For stuffing preparation, we need this chana. I have soaked them in water for 8 hours. Take a pressure cooker, add the chana, 1 medium potato diced, 1 small tomato diced, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 cup water. Mix together. Now pressure cook for 4 whistles in medium flame. Once done, mash the potatoes slightly. Add 1 chopped onion for crunchy taste. Half teaspoon red chili powder. Some coriander leaves. Mix all together. Our stuffing is ready now. For pani preparation, take a small jar, add 2 tablespoons washed tamarind, 1 tablespoon jaggery powder or jaggery, some water and grind them together. Take a big jar now and transfer the paste from the small jar to this. Now add 1 cup fresh mint leaves, 1 bunch coriander leaves with stem, 2 green chilies, add some water, 1 inch ginger cut into pieces and grind to a fine paste. Now add water to it. Sieve this water now to get rid of tamarind particles, if any. Dilute this by adding more water. Now add half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon hing or asafoetida, and mix well. Now keep this water in refrigerator to have spicy, sweet and tangy pani. Now let's make the puris. Take the dough and knead it again for a couple of minutes. Divide the dough. Now start rolling the dough by applying oil to the board. Roll it to a thin sheet. Use a cookie cutter or a small bowl and cut them into circles to form puris. Remove the left out part and use to make another puris. This should be the thickness of the puri. Remember, it should not be very thin also. Deep fry these puris in hot oil. Once you add the puri should puff up. Cook from both sides. Crispy and crunchy puri is ready now. So, here are our puris, stuffing and the water. I'll show you how crunchy the puri should be. Take the puri, fill the stuffing and dip it in water. Now let me complete my pani puri before it disappears. Enjoy this pani puri with your family and don't forget to hit the like button under my video. See you guys soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.